Hello class, this is a little screencast to give you an overview of how the tax unit is laid out and how to navigate around to the different folders. So this is Unit 17 on taxes. This unit actually has 4 different objectives, which will be covered in this little video clip. This unit covers 2 weeks. In week 1, you'll learn about the tax filing statuses on a U.S. income tax return, and you'll also learn how to compute taxable income. And then in week 2, you'll learn how to compute standard or itemized deductions, and you'll actually learn how to calculate the U.S. income tax. As you can see over here, it has an overview section that gives you an overview of this unit, and then there's some slides that you should review to go through to give you some background on the content of calculating taxes. There's also a little video here. It's kind of an entertaining video to give you an overview on taxes. And then in week 1, we have the summary of content that you need to learn, and then we'll start off a tax return project. This is in the form of an assessment where each of you will be doing an individual tax return and you're all doing the same return. The way it works is that in week 1 you learn about the tax filing statuses, and then you actually complete different questions. And these questions are set up so that as you go through them, you actually have 3 attempts to try and get the right answers for these questions. So for example, what is the tax filing status for Stuart and Sally Smith? You would select an answer and it gives you 3 attempts to get the right answer, and then it goes on to the next one. The reason why it gives you 3 attempts and then it will actually show you the correct answer, I'm going to skip down here a little ways. There's a question number 4. Is because in order to do the tax return, you have to get the right number. So for example, what is the amount of taxable income on line, taxable interest on line 8A? If you guessed 66, it's going to say, no, this is wrong. And then you get 3 attempts to try it. I'm going to go ahead and start again. And then if you actually get the right one, then it'll tell you the right answer, that it's 55, or if you don't get it, then it'll then tell you the right answer so that you can go on. Because these are sequential. You know, you need to make sure you know what the right answer is in order to go on. That's what's unique about this, but you need to understand that. And you have 3 tries to try and get the right answer before it'll show you the right answer. Same thing with week 2. Week 2 is talking about itemized deductions, and there's an assessment here. And then you have to go through sequentially to get the right answers. And then at the very end of this unit, there is a survey. It's an anonymous survey that you should take to help us ensure that we are teaching the correct content and that it's laid out correctly, and to see if there's any changes that need to be made for future units. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And the reason why this unit is relevant is that taxes derive a lot of the different investment strategies. You know, we talked about IRAs and 401ks. Those types of retirement investment strategies all have a tax motive. So it's important to understand taxes in your financial planning to help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you.